St. Lucia is now at the 6-month point since the introduction of the COVID-19 vaccine. Since then, we have been able to partially vaccinate 18.9% of our population with the first dose of the AstraZeneca vaccine, and 14.8% have been fully vaccinated with both doses. Our current figures indicate that as of August 18, 2021, 34,195 first doses and 26,820 second doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine have been administered in St. Lucia. Controlling the spread of the COVID-19 virus can be done through the recommended infection prevention and control measures, frequent hand hygiene, limiting movement, consistently wearing a mask, and seeking medical attention when experiencing flu-like symptoms. These measures do help control the pandemic. But to successfully bring the pandemic to an end will be achieved through COVID-19 vaccination. Like other infectious diseases, we will achieve significant improvements when we are less able to spread the virus from person to person. Vaccination makes this hope an achievable reality. Over the last 2 weeks, St. Lucia has witnessed a significant and worrying increase in the number of individuals who have been confirmed as having COVID-19. Through the support of the Caribbean Public Health Agency, we have also been able to confirm the presence of the Delta variant in our country. The presence of this variant increases the rate at which this virus spreads and causes worse health outcomes for the people who acquire the virus. Given the high level of transmissibility of the Delta variant, St. Lucians are encouraged to take any and all measures to ensure that they and their loved ones are protected. Though vaccines are the key to ending the pandemic, all the protocols must be practiced daily to reduce the health burden caused by COVID-19. On Tuesday, August 17, 2021, St. Lucia received a generous donation of 52,650 doses of the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccines from the government of the United States of America. This generous donation was facilitated through CARICOM and CAFA. The donation of vaccines will complement the AstraZeneca vaccine and make available an additional choice of vaccines to the people of St. Lucia. Both vaccines are effective against the COVID-19 virus and the variant. The Ministry of Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs is committed to ensuring that vaccines are available to all who are eligible to receive them. Vaccination will continue at the various vaccination sites and wellness centers across the island, alongside the mobile vaccination drive in communities. In the coming weeks, vaccines will also become available at selected private sector health facilities. As of Monday, 23rd August 2021, the Pfizer vaccine will be available at the vaccination sites for persons 12 years and older. Parents or guardians should accompany their children under 18 years. Vaccinating your children will protect them from COVID-19 infection, particularly the Delta variant, which is known to cause serious infection in young people. The Ministry of Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs is committed to ensuring that vaccines are put to good use. To reduce wastage of these much-needed vaccines, we appeal to all those who would be due for their second doses in the coming weeks to visit any of the vaccination sites. According to the manufacturer's instructions, the AstraZeneca vaccine can be administered between 4 to 12 weeks. In light of this, a decision has been taken to administer the second dose from 6 weeks after having received the first dose, especially in light of the confirmed variant in country. The World Health Organization has released guidance which gives consideration for heterologous combinations, that is, mix and match of vaccines such as AstraZeneca and Pfizer. The Ministry of Health's vaccination policy remains the complete regime of one brand of vaccine. Consideration for mix and match will be given in cases where one vaccine is not available. The schedule for the vaccination sites are as follows. Grozile Human Resource Center, Mondays and Fridays. The VG Sports Complex, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. The Binfield Secondary School until Thursday, 26 August, on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Soufriere Hospital grounds, Mondays and Fridays. Dennery Mothers Preschool, Tuesdays and Wednesdays. The Jack Mill Wellness Center on Fridays, and the People Discounts Pharmacy on Tuesdays on Victoria Street and Thursdays on St. Louis Street. The Ministry of Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs continues to appeal to the public to access the COVID-19 vaccination clinics around the island. Until widespread vaccination has been achieved, both vaccinated and unvaccinated people need to be aware that the additional protective behaviors are required to control the pandemic. The Ministry of Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs will provide further updates on St. Lucia's COVID-19 vaccination implementation.